good evening. So today I will be creating a video presentation on my Capstone project for data visualization, which I have created on Tableau. So first of all, I have created these individual charts, and then I have added them in my dashboard. So let's dive into it. So my the charts are based on the dataset hotel booking analysis, which was my exploratory data analysis for other module, and from that dataset I have imported that in Tableau, connected with the dataset, and then I have created the charts and then added the charts in this dashboard. So what does the dashboard say? So these are the charts. First chart is arrivals per month. So on the x-axis I have plotted the months, and on the y-axis I have plotted the number of arrivals that take place within that month. So if we can see, and also it is a type of stacked bar chart, which means the bars are divided into two parts based on city hotel and resort hotel. So if we hover on this, you can see these are the arrivals in city hotel and these are the arrivals in resort hotel. So we can see that most of the arrivals occur in the season of May, June, July, August, September, October, and less arrivals occur in January, February, March and December. So this half of the year is the good season for the hotel business. So from this chart we can understand the seasonal trends of the arrivals in the hotel business. Next is the chart which is a pie chart, which shows the proportion of cancellation of bookings. So what happened here is we can see that 37.04% of the bookings get cancelled, and 62.96% of the bookings don't get cancelled. So we can see like this. From the next chart we can see the number of bookings that are cancelled. So I have divided the is cancelled into two bins, 0 and 1. 0 means it is not cancelled and 1 means it is cancelled. So we can see the number of cancellations that take place in the city hotel is the number of cancellations that take place in the city hotel is 33,000, and the number of hotel bookings that are cancelled in resort hotel are 11,112, which we can see from the hovering over the bars. So this is the portion which shows the bookings that are not cancelled, and this is the portion which shows the bookings that are cancelled. Next we see the percentage of hotel types. So what is that? There are two types of hotels, one is city hotel and one is resort hotel. So in city hotel comprises of 66.45%, and resort hotels comprises of 33.55% of the entire data set. So this pie chart shows the proportion of the types of hotels. Then we see in this chart we see the arrivals per year. So we can see, and it is also divided, it is a area chart, and it is divided in two parts, city hotel and resort hotel. So in 2015 city hotel had 13,682 arrivals and resort hotel had 8,314, and from this trend line we can see that most guests arrived in the year 2016. So 2015 was the starting year, some guests arrived, more guests arrived in 2016, and then it again declined in 2017. So we can say that 2016 was the booming year for the hotel business. In the next chart we are seeing the percentage of the guests that revisit the same hotel. So we can see that 3.19% of the guests are repeated guests and rest are new guests, which is 96.81%. So you can see that the number of guests in the number of guests that are repeated are very less percentage. Thus from this trend the hotel stakeholders of the hotel business can promote the repetition of guests by creating many offers and other things. So in the next chart we see the types of rooms that are mostly reserved. So we can see that A type room is mostly reserved, with accounting for about 62,000 for city hotel and 23,000 for resort hotel, which is around 75,000. So it is the most, followed by room type D, room type E, room type F and G. And then we have created a heat map for the meals, type of meals that is mostly preferred. So in this heat map, the color represents the number of meals that are ordered. So as we go towards red, it means more ordering, and as we go towards green, it shows less ordering. So you can see that resort hotel, bed and breakfast is the most ordered meal type. So resort hotel has around 30,000 of bed and breakfast, and city hotel has around 62,000. And full board, half board, and self catering, these are lower compared to bed and breakfast. So their color is in green, and bed and breakfast is in red because its number of meal orders is very high. See, 30,000, 60,000, but here it is only 44, 754, 8,000, 6,000, like that. So in our final chart, we are seeing a map chart. In this map chart, what happens is we are seeing the number of guests that are arrived from that nationality. So the most guests arrived from Portugal, which is 48,590, and followed by other European countries like France, Great Britain, and Netherlands. Then, so what we can understand from the color of this choropath graph is that if the color is green, the number of guests that arrive from that country is very high. If the color is yellow, it is moderate, and if the color is less, the number of guests that arrive from that country is very less, like 100, 108, 32. So these are red because the number, the amount of guests that arrive from these countries are very less. So we have also added filters on the charts. If we click on the city hotel, the other charts are affected, and they show the data regarding the city hotel. So these are the highlighted, these are the data regarding the city hotel. In this chart also, this black color is the highlight of the city hotel data, this city hotel data, and these are also city hotel data. But if we click on the resort hotel, it shows the data regarding, it highlights the data regarding the resort hotel. So these are the arrivals per month of the resort hotel, these are the arrivals per year of the resort hotel, these are the meal types of the resort hotel, and these are the room types of the resort hotel, and these are the number of bookings of the resort hotel. So if we click on the other pie charts, they are also used as filter. So if we click on cancelled, we can see the graph changes for the other charts also. So the number of proportion of cancellations of 37.04, from that what amount of guests are arriving per month, it is showing. If we click on is not cancelled, then the chart again changes. It shows the not cancelled data and the corresponding data regarding not cancelled. If we click on the percentage of revisiting guests, so for new guest we want to see the other charts, we are clicking on new guest, so the chart again changes. These are the new guests arrivals, and if we click on the repeated guest, so we can see that the new guests arrive mostly in the April to October half year. But if you click on the repeated guest section, the bar changes, it shows the repeated guests. So we can see the repeated guests mostly arrive in other part of the year, like January, February, November, December, October. So from this we can understand that the new guests arrive mostly in the half year of April to September, and the other half year the repeated guests mostly arrive. So this dashboard summarizes so many data like arrivals per month, arrival per year, and we have added custom filtering based on the pie charts. And in this map also we can see the number of nationalities that arrived, and it is a choropath graph, and the color coding is there, and also labeling is also there. So this was my dashboard. Thank you for your time. Bye.